Hi, it's Mr. V. In this video, we are going to talk about a website that called BIMbox or BIM Assist Library. This website have a lot of high quality interior designs, furnitures or families that we can use in Revit, such as tables, chairs, seating, doors, and windows. I want to download and install a table. Let's choose this one. After we download it, let's open it and upgrade the model. This is its preview in Revit. We have to go to File, to New, Project, or your project, Metric Architecture Template, and press OK. After we open our project, let's go to Preview and press Load into Project. After we load it, we have two different tables inside this family. I want this one also. I want this one also. I want to mirror this one. Let's choose floor architecture, and let's choose rectangle and press finish, and let's go to 3D. Let's make it 1:1 and let's choose realistic.